kids! Today we are going to draw an amazing rocket ship. So grab your pencil and let's get started. First, draw a vertical line in the middle of your paper. This will help us keep our rocket nice and even. Now, slowly draw the outer shape of the rocket around that line. Take your time, no need to rush. Next, let's make two circles in the center of the rocket using a compass. These will be the rocket's windows. Once that is done, go over the outline again to make your drawing neat and clean. Now it's time for the fun part, coloring. Use your favorite color pens to trace the outer lines and then fill in the rocket with bright, beautiful colors, red, blue, yellow, or any colors you love. And wow, we did it! Great job, little artists! Keep practicing and keep creating.